Hello and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off sticky keys in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for sticky keys options, we have to go to settings first. Then we are looking for accessibility options. And here we have interaction and dexterity. When we scroll down a bit, we have our sticky keys options. As you can see now, sticky keys are enabled. What does it do? When you press a modifier key like Shift, Ctrl or Alt, it will stay pressed so you can enter keyboard shortcuts one key at a time. So to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box, and now this option is turned off. We can just go back to our main menu. No need to save, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.